Well, I hope it's completely obvious that neither I nor even my parents have a vague recollection of Herbert Hoover. We were too young. But as a student of political science and history, I became somewhat aware of him, but then acutely aware of Herbert Hoover as a young broadcaster. Why? One of the great bloopers of all time in radio was one of those stilted announcers in the 1920s dressed in evening clothes, introducing the chief executive, Hubert Heaver. Hmm. It's actually pronounced Herbert Hoover.